I'm sorry, Mom.
The girl is hitting her mother uncontrollably. This is not aggression. She has Tourette syndrome, which is a neurodevelopmental condition caused by differences in brain circuits that regulate movement and impulse control. It leads to involuntary movements or sounds, sometimes even inappropriate words, but these actions are not intentional. So please do not look at them with strange eyes. Stress and constant attention often make symptoms worse. Understanding, acceptance, and not drawing attention to the tics can help people feel more at ease.